How to buy Dogwifscarf token. Now this token came under the symbol of scarf. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Go here and click on this to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, click on your wallet. Now select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Scarf. Now after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is it. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Scarf token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.